Hey all, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you a quick demo of GitHub Copilot and how it works. So let's first go to the website. It's GitHub Copilot and it's your AI pair programmer. So what you can do is generate some of the code snippets for you in real time, and it will give you suggestions for your favorite programming language. So what you need is GitHub account. Already you may be using it. So it's actually paid tool, so $10 a month, but you can get 2 months free trial. So it's very easy to get a free trial. So let's hit the start free trial. You already may be logged into your account, so you are paying $0. So here what you will get, GitHub free. So I'm already subscribed, so it's showing me your free trial is ending in 57 days. So it's probably 2 months, 60 days. So let's see how it works in real time. You may need to download the plugin for your favorite editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code for this. So after installing that plugin, I'm not going to show you how to install it. So you need to install it manually, so it's already like one click in the marketplace, Visual Studio Marketplace. So it shows a demo, but so when you already installed it, what you need to do is first go to this icon. If you see this icon, it means it's already activated. If I will click it, it will show me that would you like to disable. It means it's already activated. So how it works and how we're going to use it in different programming languages for Python, for C# and C++. So first we'll do it for Python. Let's say we want to create a list of random integers and store it and print it. So it's a very basic task I want to do. Let's say we'll write create a list of random numbers and print it. Yeah. So what you need to do is press tab or press space, import random, press tab. So it's not generating anything, so that means it's not generating anything in this line, so we need to go to the next line, define main. So we'll got this, the code snippet. So is already defined the main, but we still need to call the main. So it's calling main like this, but we don't want like this. We want to call if name is equal to main. Call the main function. Let's call it generate list method. We don't want to call it main like. So let's compile this. Now it's a very simple code snippet. Let's say if I want to like sort the list, let's write now here create a method which takes list as a parameter and sort it and return it. So let's see if it creates sort list return number. So now we have already generate list. It's already print. So what we'll do is we won't print here, we will return numbers, generate list. So we will generate numbers here, and now we're going to sort it. So sort it, let's call it sorted numbers. So it's already created a line which I wanted to write. It already knows where I need to pass the numbers. So what I need to do is print sorted numbers. See, it already know the context, so it already understand it. So let's run it. So it's already sorted, the list is already sorted. So it's pretty cool. So what you get is code snippet, what you want to do it, like some helper methods or function methods which you don't want to write, like which will be very lengthy to write, but it already creates, but you want to use this in a bigger project where already created some of the methods, but you don't want to create some methods which are already been there, so you'll use this. So this was the demo for our Python. So let's see which other language it supports. So let's go with the C++ now. We will do the same in the C++. Create list. Let's go create list. Let's say create a method which will create a random list of floats, let's say not integer, floats, and sort them and return the sorted list. Include vector, so it's using vector algorithm, maybe algorithm for sorting, using namespace. So here is our create random list method. It's using vector, so we need to call it, let's say created a main method. Now what we want to do is we can use auto or we can use vector float. So create a random list of 10. Now what we want to do is sort. We sort it and we print it. Let's say we don't want std, so it's not a good practice, so let's use std, because I don't want to use std forever. Standard namespace actually, so we need to use it for everything here. Std vector list vector of float. It's now let's run it. Codex-demo codex-demo.cpp codex-demo vector. We got the std vector declared here. Vector where? Oh, here. You need to write std vector here. The output file, because path is let's use another demo out. Now we got the output and the list is sorted, right? So it's already like it generates code, like, but you don't want to use it, like you can accept it and you can choose to like generate a different answer. Let's say if we want to generate a different answer, with what we can do. So it's not a good practice to use std using namespace std, so I have already, like, you can already modify it. Don't rely the code it gives you, so you need to check it, double check it, and I will show you how we can generate a different code. Let's go for our C#. We'll write the same, create list of random numbers and sort it descending and return the first 10 using system generic link system text tasks. Why do we need tasks? It's not generating. Wait. Yeah. So it's taking range from 0 to 100 and take 10. What we can do is, like, there's a different tab, accept. You can accept it, or you can go to next, or you can go to previous, and you can use the GitHub Copilot. So it shows you 10 solutions, so you can select any one you want and you can choose to accept it. So you can choose any solution you want here. It generates a list of possible solutions, basically code from GitHub. So what we will do is, like, we will accept this solution. It shows some comment, or maybe it's output. Namespace. Now let's run it. Codex demo. Now .NET run. Yeah, so it's generated. Yeah, so it's in descending order, right? This is sorted and we got various results from the GitHub Copilot. We can choose to accept it or change it if you don't like it, and that was it. So thanks for watching my video.